What's up guys, Andrew, Some Guy with Tools here. Today we're taking a look at the brand new Milwaukee FUEL 2566-22. This is their 1/4 inch high speed ratchet kit. They were kind enough to send this over for review and testing. So before we get it opened and take a look at it, what's included in the kit is the 2566-20 1/4 inch high speed ratchet, two 12 volt 2.0 CP batteries, a charger, and a carrying bag. Let's get it open and we'll take a look. Okay guys, this is what we have in the kit. Including the carrying bag, we have the charger, two 2.0 amp hour 12 volt batteries, and the 2566-20 1/4 inch high speed ratchet. So let's get these out of the way and let's put it to some use. A couple of great things I want to point out. It has a trigger lock, so you can throw this guy in your tool bag, carry it around with you all day, and it's not going to be draining your battery, wasting all your power. Trigger lock flips up like that, ready to go. Ultra bright LED right there, shining directly at your workspace. Super simple directional switch right here. Flip it for reverse, flip it for forward, forward, reverse. Another awesome thing I want to point out, you got your 4 battery light indicators right there. But another thing I want to point out, take a look at this. This is a 3/8 ratchet. It's a WeHa ratchet. Look at the head size on this guy. They've drastically reduced the head size from the last FUEL version of this cordless ratchet. You take a look at it, and it's the same. The 1/4 inch is the same size as a 3/8 inch standard ratchet. So you're going to be able to get this into all kinds of tight spaces. You're no longer going to be limited on access. So let's run down a couple of nuts and check it out. And best part, when it's all the way tight, you can still use it by hand to get that extra little bit. There we go. Flip it in reverse. There you have it guys. Milwaukee M12 FUEL 1/4 inch high speed ratchet 2566-20. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or things that you want to see it tested out on or against, and I'll be sure to get back to you. I appreciate you checking it out. I'll see you on the next one.